What's up everyone, welcome to Zilplex, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you about how you can go and earn some cash just by doing some Q&As. So there will be a question, you have to answer that. If you have any questions you can not found on Google, you can definitely add that question and it will definitely come in the Google search as well. So there's an amazing website which is crossed like too many of Q&A and they have given the answers from that. So it can be whatever kind of a question if you want to do, and they have people who actually going to go and answer them because they are going to get some cash out of that. So definitely people are going to go and answer to your questions, so you have to go and look forward for what kind of answer can you do, and you have to go and see if your question is valid. People are actually going to go and support you. Your comment is going to be on the upper hand. So there you know that if you are an old user of internet, there were like Yahoo, but Quora has taken over of Yahoo and now everyone look forward for Quora Q&A. So here you have to go and, for example, just create your own profile, just go and sign up, and you have to look forward for, I have answered like 7 of the questions. You have to go and look forward for what kind of a question you can answer. So it will going to ask like what are the things you have done and what are the things you have not done. So after that you have subscribed, it will going to go and ask you, I'm an Android developer, I know WordPress, I know about phones, e-commerce marketing, and so on and so forth. So that's why I'm going to go and get some questions related to that. So how do I start SEO work for Laravel website? If I know the answer, I'm just going to go and click on answer. If I don't know, I'll say pass. If I want to follow that question, I can do that one as well. I can't say about that. How much can you earn with programming? Literally, that question is so stupid. So I'm going to answer this one. It depends how you work on it. That's a decent answer. It depends on how you work on it, right? So I just answered that one, and it is going to be given the views to that person who has just asked that question. You just have to go and do same thing. If you have a question, click on add a question, or you can go and type, for example, whatever the question do you have, like how to make videos on YouTube. That is a very common question people will ask for, and if you want you can add the link to that one as well. If you have a YouTube videos, you can go and do the comment and add your link of your YouTube channel where you have explained to that question. So you have an answer to that. It is going to accept your question, and that can make your SEO as well, backlinking. So just go and start doing on Quora.com if you are looking forward to earn money by just Q&A. If you are good enough, Quora is going to go and prompt you out with the partners program where you are actually going to get some cash out of it. Starting it won't be there, but you have to go and keep on doing again and again, and Quora will notice you and you will get notified that you can start earning cash from Quora.com. So that's about it for this video. It's like there are people who have learned like lakhs and lakhs of money from this Quora.com, and even I started, maybe I can get some more cash from it. So I hope you learn something new from this. I just shared you because it is legit way you can go and earn money from here. So that's about it for this video. I hope you found this video informative and useful. I add the Quora link of my profile if you want to go and answer to my questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one. My name is Nazir and I'm signing out.